Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create 2 column, 3 column or 4 column layout in gravityform in WordPress without using any extra plugin or CSS. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using gravityform plugin. Now on screen you see our form. So we are going to create 2, 3 or 4 column layout. Now go to form and we are in edit form. Now you see radio button and checkbox. Now we are going to create 2 column for radio button and checkbox. Now you see, now select and then move, and then you see checkbox. Now select and move here. Now you see 2 column layout. Now click on save form. Now form save done. Go to form page and refresh the page. Now you see 2 column layout for radio button and checkbox. Now back to edit form and then you see alphabet. Again select and then move like this. Now you see phone, move and drag and drop here. Again select and move. Now you see email, drag and drop here. So you can adjust according to your requirement. Now you see. Now this is 3 column layout and then click on save form. Now form save done and go to form page and refresh the page. Now you see alphabet, phone and email in 3 column layout. Now back to edit form and then you see email. Now again move like this, select and then you see email. Now move and drag and drop here. Now 4 column layout and then click on save form. Now form save done and go to form page and refresh the page. Now you see 4 column layout. So without using custom CSS or extra plugin, you can create 2 column, 3 column or 4 column layout in gravityform in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.